What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your remote battery in your 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote by pressing this button you have right here. The key will come right out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to split the remote in half, and I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to help me with that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick it in the hole where the emergency key was, and I'm just going to kind of just pry the remote in half like that. Okay, you don't want to jam it in there or anything like that. You're just trying to stick it kind of in there just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to hold the remote with the buttons facing down, split the remote open, and it will expose, the circuit board and the battery. So here's the battery right here. It lives in the back part of the remote with the positive side facing away from you. So if you look at it, this positive sign is back down in the remote like this. Get a new battery. The size of the battery is going to be a CR2032, and again, just note the positive. I'm going to leave a link down in the description box for some new batteries if you want to get some. They'll take you to Amazon, so you can check that out. But we're just going to pop this one back in like that and get the remote, and everything will self-center itself, and we just put this all back together. We just squeeze it back together and put the emergency key back in, and we're all done. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. I'll catch you guys in the next video.